In this video, I break down the solution of challenge 2, fallout of Ethernaut CTF, and this video is part of a series of all the solutions for Ethernaut CTF. So stay tuned for more. I will explain the reasoning behind the solution so that you can do it yourself and learn how to do this yourself. So welcome to the DecentraWise channel. My name is Pedro, and here in this channel we share information about Web3 development, blockchain development, security, and all the good stuff. So stay tuned for more videos like this in the future. So let's navigate to our web page. So we are at the Ethernaut CTF. The main page is like this, and we have all the challenges here. And as you can see, let me just arrange this. As you can see, we have the second one. It's this one. So let's go there. Perfect. So we are at the challenge page. So they tell us to claim ownership of the contract to complete the level, right? We might do it on Solidity in Remix IDE, or we can do it any way we want, right? So we have also the console, and usually it's here that we play with our challenges, right? So if you, we have also MetaMask installed. As you can see, we are on Sepolia network. It's the one that Open Zeppelin team suggests as the better. If you don't know how to set up this, please check the first video in this series where I explain how to install MetaMask and all that stuff. If you have a problem with your MetaMask, if you cannot access the challenges, please add up to a video that I shared with how to circumvent that problem, and you are good to go. So with this, we need to check the code. So let's examine the code. We have our first line, which means we are in Solidity 6. Okay, so quite old version. And most importantly, it's a version that doesn't have safe math. So that's why they are importing safe math from Open Zeppelin contracts, right? And there we are. So we have a constructor, but it's not a constructor, it's a function, right? So what does this mean? At first sight, when we look at it, it can be understood as a constructor, right? But it happens that only in very old versions of Solidity, the constructors were a function with the same name of the contract. So in Solidity 6, it's not like that anymore. So constructors are constructors with the name constructor, just exactly because of this. And the function is not quite literally the name of the contract. It's a different one. So, and it's public and payable. Do you see any problem? Well, this is the only thing that we need to take ownership of the contract, right? So if we have a public function that changes the owner, we don't need to do anything else, right? So let's do it. Let's first check. Let's get our instance to play with. So here we go. Confirm. Let's wait a little bit. Boom. We have our instance, and we can check the instance at this address. Well, it's the instance address, and we can go and check what's going on in the owner of the contract. So let's await contract, right? .owner. So we have owner 0. What does this mean? This means that the contract was deployed, right? And it doesn't have a constructor. So the constructor wasn't called. And the owner is the 0 account because it's the initial value of an uninitialized address, right? So there is no owner right now. To become the owner of the contract, we just need to await contract and call the function, the supposed constructor of the contract. So let's do it. Fallout function doesn't have any arguments, so we don't need to supply anything. And should we send a value on this call? I don't think so, because that's not part of the challenge, right? We just need to claim ownership of the contract. So let's not waste Sepolia ETH for nothing, right? So boom, here we are, confirm, wait a little bit, and we have a transaction receipt. So we are the transaction went through. So let's see what happened. The owner now is our account, right? We became the owner of the contract. As easy as this, guys. There's not much to be doing here. So if we want to collect all the money in this contract, we could collect allocations because we are the owner. So let's just try that out for fun. So await contract.collect allocation. There we are. And confirm. And we have a transaction receipt that shows the transaction went through. As we are the owner, we are able to call it. And if there was something in this contract, we collect it, right? So guys, this is it. It's not a very big challenge at all. As you can see, we've done it. Let's inspect that we won the challenge. And boom, here we are. Well done. We completed this level. Okay, so hope you like this this challenge, and hope you had a lot of fun with this, with understanding what's going on in this challenge. This was probably some code. This happened in real life. Actually, there was an exploit on some contract that had this exact vulnerability here. When people change it from constructor functions with the name of the contract to the constructors, there were some contracts that weren't properly changed, and some exploits done with this. So hope you learned a little bit. This is an easy one, and go do it on your own and have fun with it. Okay, so hope you got some value from this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video in this series. Cheers. Bye-bye.